In today's video, I'm going to teach you access your billing settings. First, start by logging into your Sellfy account. Use your usual credentials, and make sure you're signing into the correct store if you manage more than one. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see the navigation menus that control your storefront, products, and account. We're heading to your billing area, so look for the account menu. It's typically located in the top corner of the dashboard. Open that, then select Billing. This is where you can view your current plan, see billing history, and manage plan changes. Inside Billing, you'll find a clear overview of your subscription. If you're ready to upgrade, look for the Select Plan button. Clicking this will open the available plan options. You'll see choices like moving from Starter to Business, as well as the option to switch from monthly to a yearly plan. Yearly plans often provide better overall value because they're billed annually, so the effective monthly rate can be lower. As you review the plans, note the features included and the price displayed. Depending on when you upgrade during a billing cycle, you may see a prorated amount, and you'll be charged for the term you choose. Choose the plan that best matches your needs today and the growth you anticipate. If you sell more products, need advanced features, or want lower transaction limits, a higher tier might make sense. If predictability and savings are more important, the yearly option can be appealing. When you confirm your selection, your account will update to the new plan. If anything looks off, you can always return to the billing page to review your current status. If you're happy with your plan and don't need to change it right now, it's still important to monitor your billing history and be aware of your plan's revenue limit. In billing, you can review past invoices and charges to stay on top of costs. The revenue limit is the maximum sales volume your current plan allows before you may need to upgrade. Keeping an eye on that helps you avoid interruptions or surprises as your store grows. If your sales approach that limit, you'll know it's time to revisit the plan options and adjust when it makes sense. That's it. Log in, navigate to Account and Billing, use Select Plan to upgrade if you need to, and keep an eye on billing history and revenue limits. With these steps, you'll stay organized, compliant with your plan, and ready to scale when the time is right.